We're taking a live look right now through our Earth Cam in Oklahoma City. A massive dust storm has taken most of the state of Oklahoma into brownout conditions, low visibility, winds gusting over 50 miles per hour just outside of Oklahoma City at Tinker Air Force Base. Just an incredibly low pressure system that is picking up tons and tons of dust across the Central Plains and creating these kinds of conditions. You can even see the camera wobbling there. Now, let's take a look at satellite real quick, and we can see where all of this dust is coming from. It's coming from New Mexico, West Texas. You see just that plume of dust, that lighter gray shade here. When you get to the white colors, that's more of the clouds in the upper levels. But also, I want to point out right around in here, you notice right there, a quick plume of smoke from fires are getting kicked off. So this is the same low pressure system that's moving through Kansas that's going to bring us our severe weather the next couple of days. This is an incredibly powerful storm system. A few different areas of severe thunderstorms ongoing, even a tornado outside of the Springfield, Missouri area. Right now, no watches, no warnings. We are clear here in the Mid-South. That's some good news. Things are going to change, though, very quickly in the coming hours. 78 degrees right now, 78 up towards Dyersburg as well. 81 still in the Clarksdale area, so still pretty warm. We're going to keep that heat around this evening as we start to build in the moisture. The dew point here in Memphis has gone up in the last hour by 1 degree, but a little bit more off towards eastern Arkansas. Whenever we see dew points in the upper 50s and through the 60s, that is plenty of moisture for thunderstorms to tap into to build into severe weather. So our weather impact alert is for 8 p.m. Friday through 7 p.m. Saturday. The severe thunderstorms are going to be rolling through, could pack multiple hazards. We could see long track severe thunderstorms with tornadoes. Prepare for power outages. Of course, the strong winds that will be coming in our area, as well as the severe thunderstorm winds, as well as the potential for a tornado to knock out power. So let's take a look at the energy, because there is plenty of it. As we go through tonight, we've got a ton of the energy working through as the cold front begins to spark off those thunderstorms. Then as we go through 3 a.m., we still have that energy in place. The thing is, this is an overnight event. Normally, thunderstorms die off as we go overnight. This time, that's not happening. Let's take a look through the forecast. 7 o'clock, we start to see some of those thunderstorms developing here across the Mid-South. Then we start to see them get a little bit stronger. This is a newest update here. We see them a little bit here across western Tennessee, a gap there into northern Mississippi until 4 a.m. Then we start to see the setup for our Saturday beginning to show up here. We've got a warm front that goes along the I-40 corridor, and then a cold front that extends south. We go into the longer range. It's a little more of a coarse representation, but we could have several severe thunderstorms rolling out of our area through the day Saturday. We've got that level 4 risk, the second highest risk that is possible for us. We've got the tornado threat, a pretty high threat around the area. Those hatch marks mean we could see a significant long track tornado with very strong winds. Also, large hail, upwards of 2-inch diameter, and winds that could be upwards of 75 miles per hour. So all severe threats are in play through this evening. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Weather impact alert extends through our Saturday, of course. Then the cold front swings through and it drops our temperatures back, but we'll start to recover back to the 70s next week.